So we're going, what are the PID settings we're at?
Right now, are you in the middle?
Yeah.
So right now it's 0.175 for the P terms, for rate and pitch. And we have it set from 0.15 up to 0.2.
And this is just the P term, right?
Just the P term, yeah. And let's see if it takes away the drunkardness of this drone.
I'm just going to do it now. That's super slow.
What?
Yeah, but I don't, those settings aren't for stabilized, are they? Or are they across the board?
They're for just rate. All 4 batteries are connected, right?
I think so, yeah, it should be. Keep it in front of you, don't go over towards the houses.
It looks quite stable right now.
Does look better.
Wait, go a little back towards where you were, because it's a little bit better. This sucks, I can't see these figures on the fly. I have to refresh it and it loads like 5 seconds after. At 2. At 2? Yeah. So it's not doing anything?
Yo, this is altitude hold. When it was stabilized, it was like, it was just taking off and going up at 0.175. This is at 0.2. I'm afraid to put this stabilized. Definitely very effective by using this moderate amount of wind.
So call out what values when you change them. I'll see if we can get it on the video. Oh no, I mean Ben, you can guess where the knob's at.
Auto landing.